So thanks to affiliate marketing and Clickbank and everything I was promoting over the years, right? I was now able to purchase my second property, second house, as you can see over here. Let me show you around, right? So I was always willing to do the work, basically promote different offers, testing things, going over different audiences, right? Sometimes even losing a little bit of money, of course. It's just the way it is with everything you do, especially online business. But what I want to put upon you, actually tell you in this video, is this: you need to have a mentor, a coach, someone who will go with you step by step. And I don't mean just a Clickbank guru. I'm talking about someone who will actually help you build through friendship, relationship over time with him, and then you can also get very good results, right? So very important thing is this. Now the next thing I want to tell you is this: you have to choose on Clickbank. If you're choosing Clickbank, right, it's not bad, it's good network where you can actually go for free and promote different offers, but not by gravity. Everyone telling you choose the product with huge gravity, which is not true. Why? Because if you want to make a really great money online, right, what you have to keep in mind is this: if everyone else is doing the same thing and you are competing with everyone else, why the heck would you do it, right? You have to observe the masses and do the opposite of what everyone else is actually doing, right? So as you're watching this video, very important thing is this: you have to go and actually promote the offer that will make the sale, right? And also that your audiences can relate to. So if your audience is, let's say, in fitness, keto niche, you have to remember, right? You have to promote that offer that will speak to your audience language. Very important, right? High quality offer with a lot of upsells. So upsell rate is very important. Why? Because if you're, let's say, spending $100 a day, you're making $200 to $300 back, right? Plus 200 extra second day on the upsell take rate. Because if people love the product, they'll also buy the upsells, right? Back end sales, high ticket sales. So it's all about recurring passive income, right? If you're spending money on the front end, you also want to make sure that you are making it on the back end, right? So that you're making recurring commissions day in, day out from the same customer over and over again. That's the end goal with affiliate marketing, of course, right? So as you're watching this video, if you want to get results with Clickbank affiliate marketing and having someone that will actually help you step by step along the way, subscribe to my channel. And after, there are going to be links below in the description where you can reach out to me. You can ask me any questions you want, and I'll actually personally help you to start having results. But you have to be serious, right? You have to take this serious, and you have to have at least 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars to be able to begin with and have some like $10,000, $20,000 months, right? And actually succeed, right? So you don't have to worry about your accounts getting shut down, not making any money, gambling methods, all this crap, right? So if you want to have results, personal relationship, friendship, let me know, subscribe to my channel, and let's connect.